Hello viewers, are you experiencing Facebook three-line option not showing problem? Viewers, Facebook has recently rolled out a new update. After the new update, the three-line option has been moved from the home page to another location. If you click on profile icon, then you can see the three-line option from the top of left. If you cannot find the three-line option from here, then follow next step to fix this issue. Go to Play Store or App Store and then click on Search App. Now search for Facebook. Update your Facebook apps in latest version. After completing update process, now restart your device. Press and hold on power button and then restart your device. After this step, your problem will be solved successfully. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.